Hope all is going well, and I just want to take this opportunity and take this chance to actually show you the exact system that I'm really using to build my business. As all of you guys know outside there, I'm sure if you're watching this video, maybe I've reached out to you on social media, we already know each other. Maybe I've reached out to you on LinkedIn, on Instagram, on all these other social media platforms, and you really just wanted to know how exactly am I building my business online. And hey, if you're a network marketer, if you're an affiliate marketer, if you're a digital marketer, because those are some of the specific people I am focusing and dealing with, I want actually to be so clear on this. This is a strategy that I've been working for a very long time as I was building my network marketing business. So I am not selling you, like I'm not telling you to join my network marketing business. If you're in network marketing, if you're building your own affiliate marketing business, I'm not telling you to start coming and joining my affiliate program and all those things. No, this is 100% genuine, and I just want to come outside here and just help people, because I know most of the people outside there are really struggling. They are struggling to make money into their business. They are struggling to actually make it happen because of some simple techniques that I'll actually share with you here that will transform everything. So I want to just jump into my laptop, and I want to just go straight to the point, because you have already talked, you already know me. I don't want to start going round and round. I want to hit the nail just straight to the point and show you exactly what I'm doing. And hey, then after that, if you feel you want to get into my program, we can partner up, we can join hands. Right now I am so focused and dedicated to actually help people make money. All right, make money. It doesn't matter if you're building your business, it doesn't matter. All I want to do is help you start getting that cash flow, because as soon as you start getting that cash flow, you start actually getting leads and getting to grow your business more. So let's jump into my laptop and let me show you the exact system that I am using. All right, okay, so we all know the goal is to make money. The goal is to make money. Everybody who joined, everybody I ask, why did you join your network marketing business? Man, my goal was to become financial free. My goal was to do all these things. So the goal is to make money. Why did you start your affiliate marketing business? My goal is to make money. And that's the same thing that I had. And I want to share with you right now, I've said my secret strategy on how I actually make money as I build my business, as I build my network marketing business, as I build my affiliate marketing business, my digital marketing consultant, all those things. I want to show you how I really integrate them together and how you can start doing this as soon as right now, immediately. So we have two types of product. You have the high ticket product and we have the low ticket product. The low ticket product and the high ticket product. So high ticket product is a product that its price value is from within this range, $100 to $1,000. The low ticket product is $7 to $50. So what do you really need to do so that you may make this high ticket product? It takes time to land on one. You need to build a strong relationship, and you need to master the skill of closing, and your offer must be a good offer, and that is wanted by your prospect. Then you have the low ticket product, which is very easy to sell, no tight and strong relationship needed. Okay, no tight and strong relationship needed. You need little closing skills. It is friendly and easy for beginners. Your offer should not mean it. Okay, I mean here that your offer should not be complex, but it should be valuable than the price. So I want you to stick with me here, and I want you to listen to me here very carefully as we actually just end this. I do want to take this presentation to be a very long one. If you're in the network marketing space, what I was doing as a network marketer, I was actually, when we take a look at the high ticket sale, most of the network marketing companies actually are only focused with high ticket sales. Most of them, 99% of them, are high ticket sales, whereby the price range is $100 to $1,000. All right, And for this, it takes time to land on one, to build relationships, and to do all those things. And what you see most of the network marketers do, they jump into social media and they get direct into pitching someone a product that goes for $200, $300 immediately. What does that do? That does not actually help you make that sale completely. You don't have to make that sale. You'll get rejected, you'll not make any money, you'll get frustrated, and that is why you find that most of the network marketers, the attrition rate is very, very high. People quit way too early because they don't really understand this concept. But when you have a low ticket product, and this low ticket product, guys, if you're in a network marketing space, what I want you to do, or you're in an affiliate marketing space, what I want to tell you is that this low ticket product, it should not be any product that is related with your network marketing business. Okay, it should not be any product that is related with your network marketing business. And also, it should not be, if you're in the affiliate niche, also it should not be any product that is associated with the niche that you are focusing on. So how to sell now $1,000 offers? So what you want to do is you want to start by promoting the low ticket offers. This is with cold prospects, and build trust as you're building your list, and then help them to start getting results by showing them how to get small wins and experiencing the product. This makes the relationship solid, and then after that you upsell them now to a high ticket offer. Right, which now may be your network marketing business, your affiliate program, which is closing high tickets, or any other product that you have. So hope you've really understood the concept. The concept is all about identifying a low ticket product, and this low ticket product, it's supposed to now help you build your list, and after building your list, it's supposed to help you also build relationships with these people who are buying this low ticket product. And after building this relationship, what will be happening now is it will be very easy for you to sell these people a high ticket product. So where is the problem now? The problem now is where can I get this low ticket product to promote other than the product that I currently have? If I'm in the network marketing space, if I'm in the affiliate marketing or digital marketing, definitely I have my products that are of high ticket, all right, high ticket sales. So how do I get these other low ticket products that are very good and that can help me build my list as I make money, as I grow my business? So follow me on this. Just a quick one as we finish. So I want to show you the exact step system that I usually use. When you take a look at my Facebook, on my Facebook, take a look at just this link above here. Free webinar reveals how I turn $0 to $1,000 using my Facebook profile. When someone clicks on this, what happens is it will take you to a page that looks like this, and this is a low ticket offer that I'm promoting. Discover a simple proven strategy that makes $68,748 using only free buyer traffic without spending a dime. No paid ads, no emails, backed by a traffic master. When someone clicks here, they fill their email address. I know some of you have already done that. You have been taken to an offer that goes for $12.95, and let me show you here on this offer. This is the page, right? This is the page whereby this actually is an offer that I have really done my due diligence and I've really looked at it. I've actually bought it, right? I've actually bought this offer and I've gone through all those modules, and all those modules are the ones that actually helped me build my Facebook profile up to where it is right now. So I would really recommend for you this, because another advantage of this is you'll be able to get an affiliate link also that you can still promote this offer. So I've already showed you how you can get an offer. Okay, so if you go through this page, this is an amazing offer. And what kind of people, you need to be sharp here when you're actually doing your marketing. What kind of people that will need this offer? Who will want to get traffic? All right, and who will want to get traffic for their business? Network marketers, affiliate marketers, all these people in the internet world, they are all struggling. They are not making money and they're not getting traffic. So the moment you promote this, offer to them, you're actually serving them, you're helping them, all right? And that's why I'm actually telling you, I'm recommending you to get this offer so that now you may get into my inner circle as I show you how I'm building this. Okay, so when you get this, you're helping these people, you're helping them do what? Learn how they can get traffic. And after helping them learn how they can get traffic, you're also now helping them get their money back as soon as possible. So the good thing about this offer, let me click here. The good thing about this offer, when I click here, what happens is on the checkout, you can see this is $12.95. On this $12.95, what happens as soon as you go and buy, I actually get this $12.95 100%. Have I made my money back? Yes. Have I started seeing some small commissions? Yes. If you got it through me, what will happen is I will start helping you build your belief. I will start helping you see that, hey, so I can make money online. After that, I will start helping you now also build a list of the people that you are sending this offer. You can imagine if you send, maybe if you're an affiliate marketer, a network marketer, and you find an affiliate marketer who is struggling, and you send them this offer and you tell them, hey, take a look at how I'm able to really generate free leads online, right, using this program. When they take it, they buy it for $12.95. You get that $12.95 100% as commission. Okay, after you've gotten that 100% as commission, what happens is now see what you're doing here. You're getting money, you're getting the money. After getting the money, you've also gotten a lead that you can actually prospect this lead to get into your network marketing business. If you're in the network marketing, if you're in the network marketing niche, when you still promote, you can still promote this offer to actually your teammates. Listen to me, this is an offer, I don't know if you have a lot of time here, but this is an offer that has really helped me out to build my Facebook up to where it is, and actually gotten more than $1,000 plus using that Facebook. And I promise, I don't know if I'll be able to log into it. I'm so sold out on this because the strategies that are shared there, just deep. I actually texted him and inboxed him, and he was selling, when I was purchasing this, he was selling it $1,000 plus, and you can see here you're getting it for $12.95. All right, so this course is on another level. So it's $12.9, and I'm showing you how you can make money from it and how you can learn from it. So even if you promote this to some of your team members, if you're in the network marketing space, they will be so excited and they will be so thankful that you actually shared how they can really get this amazing offer. All right, now when you promote them, what happens is you'll build your lists through them. Also, you'll get them, but you see, now you don't want to cross recruit. Like for example, if you're in network marketer and you buy the course right now on my side, I don't want to cross recruit you into my network marketing business. But what you can do now is you can start building your small success, because on the online space, social proof runs the world. You start now building your small success, because as soon as they buy this, you'll be getting this $12.95 coming into your account. Guess what? You'll be making money, and this money will be helping you to look for more prospects through the people who you're in the industry. The same thing if you're in the affiliate marketing space. Guys, it's all about holding each other's hand and helping each other get to the top. I am not, as you can see here on this video, I'm being so honest, I'm being so transparent. So it's all upon you to actually get into this idea that I'm sharing with you, because with no doubt, even if you don't get in, I am still going to be getting people who will really actually just even want to buy this product only. But my main goal is to actually help you make money. All right, after helping you make money, guess what? If you send a post on your social media saying, hey, today I actually made, let's say for example, if I help you make 3, 4 or 5 sales from this, help you make that $100. Even if you're in a network marketing company, even if you're in an affiliate marketing company, when you send that on your social media, people will be like, hey man, how are you able to do this? And guess what? Inside the training also, we're showing you how you can actually get into prospecting, get into using Facebook, getting into using all these traffic sources, and then also you'll be able to get access to me 100%. So this video has just gone a little bit longer, but I just wanted you to understand this concept, how it's working. All right, so just get in, click on the button below or where I shared with you. If you got in, go and get the $12.95. as soon as after you've gotten the course, you'll have a whole full training. But the first thing that you want to do is work with you and show you how you can actually start making money. All right, get your $12.95 back. All right, that's the one thing that I want to help you. So I'll give you an affiliate link of this same offer that you can use it to promote. All right, you can use it to promote and get 100% commission of the $12.95. And there's a lot of strategies, guys. As soon as you get in, I'll be able to show you all those others. So you have seen it, I've become so transparent. This is the exact system that I'm using to build my business, and that's the exact system that I want to help you start making money and getting that cash flow. Have a blessed time. Hey, always feel free to reach out to me and ask me any question if you have not understood anything from this. And also I'll be trying to hold webinars that I can actually explain to people how this concept actually works. Have a good time, be blessed. Let's meet in my next video, on my social media, everywhere we are connecting. Have a blessed time.